Srivastava teaching you maths of class 10th NCERT chapter 11 construction. In previous lecture I have explained till question number 4. Fifth question we'll see here. In the question number 5 it is given a triangle ABC. BC and AB is given and angle B is given. You want to draw 3/4 of corresponding sides scale factor a similar triangle. First of all, you write given to construct and steps of construction we have started, and draw the rough figure of this. First, seeing the what is given, what is not given. 5 given, 6 and 60 degree. So it is SAS construction of class 7. Draw triangle ABC of given measure. In this it is your duty that you construct. First of all, you draw a line BC with the scale, and then at B you draw by compass 60 degree. By the compass we will draw 60 degree like this, and equal angle, and then from this 60 degree line we will cut the 5 centimeter and then join AC. It is your required triangle what you have drawn. Now another step, second step is given. Draw BX of make acute angle. You will put the scale like this and draw line BX. On BX we will cut 5 equal arcs. One will take, second arc, third arc, same radius, and then fourth one is given. Join B4C, last with the last, because it is denominator number. You will join 3/4. And then from B3 we will draw a line parallel to B4C, which I have told you in the previous lecture. Equal angle you will draw. What angle here? Same angle here, and from here we will measure and cut. So C dash you get. From C dash we will draw a line parallel to AC meets a BA at A dash. Triangle A dash B C dash is your required triangle. It is your result. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is given in the book. Draw the triangle ABC. In BC given, angle B is given, angle A is given. You want to draw 4/3 of the given triangle. B and A is given and BC is given. So first of all you draw a rough figure of this. Rough figure ABC. Angle A given, angle B given, but C is not given. Without C it is very difficult to draw. So apply the calculation part. Calculation part, ASPT you apply. Then get the angle C 30 degree. Now ASA construction. What is the construction? ASA construction of class 7th. Draw a line BC. And after drawing BC, at B do you draw 45 degree. At C we will draw 30 degree. Using ruler and compass, we will get a both the line intersect at A. You get a triangle ABC. It is in the first step what you have written. It is including in this. Included all the things. Draw ray BX. Another, you are drawing the ray BX. On BX, what is your construction? 4/3. You want to draw 4/3. So out of 4 and 3, 4 is greater. So 4 equal parts will divide by same process. Taking this and then this, then this, then this. 4. After 4 part, denominator, what is the denominator? 3. From 3, B3 join end point. From B3 will join the end point. Then from B4, numerator is B4. From B4 we draw a line parallel to B3C meets produced BC at C dash. Then from C dash again you draw a line parallel. By compass we will draw like this, equal angle. A line parallel to AC meets produced BA at A dash. Triangle A dash B C dash is required triangle. Everything is given in the steps of construction I have written. Now question number 7 we'll see. Question number 7 is given. Draw a right triangle whose length other than hypotenuse 4th and 3 is given, and draw a similar triangle 5/3. So first of all you draw a triangle ABC. Name is not given. You will write name according to your billings, what name you want. ABC I have written BC 4, AB 4 3, angle B 90. It is given. Then to construct similar triangle with 5/3 scale factor. So triangle of right triangle construction RHS, draw BC 4 cm. At B we will draw 90 degree, cut 3 cm. So we will get triangle ABC. It is your triangle ABC, required triangle ABC we have got. Now second step, draw BX array which have make acute angle with BC. Then mark 5 equal arcs B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Join B3C. Now denominator is 5/3 is given. So denominator you join the end point. Then numerator is a point from which you draw a line parallel to this line. These two lines are parallel, equal angles. So it intersect produced BC at C dash. From C dash again draw line parallel to this line AC. These two angles are equal. Then it intersects the produced BA at A dash. So it is your required triangle. I have written everything in the steps of construction. You read the step of construction thoroughly and then find. Another type of construction is given, which is called construction second type of this in chapter, construction of tangent to a circle from exterior point. On the point, very easy to draw. On the point is very easy to draw. Any point is given, you join it and draw a 90 degree. You get a, because radius is perpendicular to tangent, we know in the previous chapter, circle chapter. So a circle of radius 3 cm, you can write COR, CO3, center O radius 3. A point is 8 cm away from the center. Tangent drawn to circle from this point. Step first of all, you draw a circle. How will you draw a circle? Take a radius of 3 cm and will draw a circle at O. It is a circle of radius 3 cm. We will draw a circle. Then from the scale, second step, take a point P 8 cm away from it. From here I am taking 8 cm away a point. How much centimeter? 8 cm away from this point. It is a 8 cm P. Join OP. Then OP has a diameter, draw a circle. OP has a diameter means you want a midpoint. It is a midpoint M. How will you get the midpoint? Draw a perpendicular bisector of this, more than half will take both the side arc, and from here also the both the side arc we will get. So join it, it will be a perpendicular bisector. For getting midpoint, draw a perpendicular bisector of OP, we will get M. M as a center, MP as a radius, will draw a circle, dotted circle. It is a new circle which intersects the previous circle. It is written, draw OP as a diameter, a circle which intersects the CO3 at A and B. Join PA and PB by scale. PA and PB by scale. It is your required triangle which is equal to 7.5 cm. It is your required triangle. Or required, not triangle, tangent. PA and PB is a required tangent. Exterior point tangent is always equal. Very simple construction. So exercise 11.2, question number 1 is given. Draw a circle of 6 cm and take a point 10 cm away from it and construct a pair of tangent to a circle. Measure their length. Very simple. First of all, we will take the 6 cm radius given. CO6 means circle of center O radius 6. PO10, it is given. Tangent from P to CO6. CO means center, radius, measure it. So first of all, we will take the center, this, it is a circle which you have drawn, very big circle, because 6 cm is the radius, so big circle. From the center you take a point, how much centimeter away? 10. So PO10, 10 cm I have drawn a line. Take a P. Again, OP as a diameter you draw a circle. Second step I have written here. PO as a diameter you draw a CMS. CMS means circle of M center and 5 radius. 10, half of 10 is 5. So CM5 I have written here. cm5 means circle of center M radius 5 we have drawn, which intersect the previous circle at A and B. Join PA and PB. It is your required tangent, which is equal to 8 centimeter. It is your required tangent, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is given: construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure the length. Also verify the length by actual calculation. Very simple question. Concentric matlab center is same and radius is different. COR, CO4 and CO6. O is same for both. Radius is different. P point on CO6 outer circle. From this point you want to draw a tangent. So first of all you draw a two circle. One is of radius. What is? One is of radius 4 centimeter. You draw a circle. Another you again measure from the scale 6 centimeter. You will measure from the scale 6 centimeter. And from same center you draw another circle. It is a first step. After drawing, take a point P on the outer circle, which is CO6. Then join OP. OP is a diameter. You draw a circle. How will you draw? Like previous? Forget about this. OP diameter means the perpendicular bisector. Get point M. Then construct, draw a CM3. CM3 means OP is given 6 centimeter. So this radius of this circle nu will be 3 centimeter. M as a center. You will take and draw a circle which intersect the inner circle at A and B. Which intersect the inner circle at A and B. Join PA and PB. It is your required tangent. PA is equal to 4.4 centimeter. It is your tangent. PA tangent and OA radius. Now join OA. OA is the radius of the circle. PA is the tangent. In the chapter of circle you have finished radius perpendicular to tangent. So calculate in this. It is given 4 centimeter. It is given 6 centimeter. You want to this. By applying Pythagoras, OA square is equal to PA square plus OP square. OA square is equal to OA square here plus PA square is equal to OP square. What is OA? Given 4 centimeter. It is PA square is equal to 6 square. So 20. PA is equal to under root 20 to under root 5. Square root of 5 is 2.23, that is 4.46 or 4.5 approx. And which you have measured, it is also the same thing. By scale when you measure it, so it is verified that the length of this by scale and it is also given 4.4 and by this also you are getting 4.4. 46 means round off. So that's all for today. In the next lecture I will explain the rest question of the 11.2 exercise. Thanks.